All right, guys. We have come to about the end of this basic course for IoT, basic Raspberry Pi. Of course, we'll be concluding. Of course, we'll be continuing with the same in when we go for advanced Raspberry Pi, where we'll be doing quite a lot over there, where we'll be going much more into the aspects of things where uh, you may be you may be doing applications like home automations or things like connecting or basically sensing motions, sending emails, or when we go that's basically for those who already know Python, and they just need a head start into Raspberry Pi and go into all possible terminologies. So basically, we'll be going for data analysis, creating GUIs, creating, using different modules like NumPy and stuff like that. Plotting data, using Flask with the Raspberry Pi, because Flask is a web server which we are creating. So creating basically servers, clients, and stuff like that, which we're going to do in detail as we start with the next course. So hopefully you'll be tuned in, and hopefully uh, uh, you will go in for that course too. There may be a few repetitions which will come from here. You can just skip them, and you can go ahead. With the major problems, because that is definitely not for those who want to learn Python from scratch, because there is no learning Python there. Here in this particular course, we focused on learning Python and then applying the things in IoT environment. But hopefully this looks quite good enough. Maybe you can have a look at the code that is written right in front, and there's quite a lot. As you can see, there's quite a lot which we have come through. Hopefully you'll build it up, put in your comments, put in your questions, and we'll get back. So anyway, happy learning.